January 3rd, 2013. The puppies are about 8 weeks old. They'll be ready for home soon. And ate and exercised and got all cleaned up.
Just to mess it all up again.
Exactly. Just to tear it up again, cause a ruckus.
Good girl.
Hi, Jubilee. Good girl. Babies.
I almost felt like we should have double layered the tags.
I know, and I used to do that too, and then they've gotten so big they just kick them out of the way instantly. Hi, Jubilee. Good puppies get water. How are you doing, Mama Gertie?
She's all calm. She's got
Good girl. Hi, Gert. Good mama. Yeah.
Such a gentle dog. You're such a good mama.
Hi. Hi, baby. Hi. I know. You're going to be so tired soon. Pig pile.
Dog pile.
I know. All right, puppies. We'll see you again soon. Meow.